The OST file type is an offline copy of your email server. You cannot open it directly in Outlook like a PST file. It is tied to your specific account profile. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to convert it if you're locked out. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for OST file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. When we speak of file architecture, OST is specifically built upon the email file type. The specific version relies on the Outlook offline data file requirements. The OST, offline storage table, file is a proprietary database file used by Microsoft Outlook when configured for Exchange server access. It functions as a complete, synchronized local copy of a user's mailbox data, emails, calendars, contacts. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and designed for offline synchronization. Its integrity is tied to the user's Exchange account profile. If the account profile is deleted or the file is moved, the OST file becomes inaccessible and unreadable due to encryption and server-side indexing. Microsoft Outlook is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the OST format. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows cannot interpret many email formats directly, so viewing relies on an email client. Open the context menu on the OST file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Microsoft Outlook. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If the OST file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The error you're seeing is standard for an OST file lacking the right context. Quickly review these key details with me before we move on to the fix. First, use Outlook. Open the file using Microsoft Outlook. If the file is connected to an Exchange account, it should open automatically upon launching Outlook. Next, check Profile. Ensure the Outlook profile that originally created the OST file is still active, as OST files are linked to a single profile and cannot be opened directly in another. Finally, use ScanOST to repair. Use the Integrity Check tool, ScanOST XE, for Outlook 2007-2010, or delete the file and allow Outlook to automatically recreate it from the server. When testing all local software produces 0 results, it's conclusive that a dedicated viewer utility is mandatory. The right move is to deploy the final fix, the specialized tool built for cases like this. When the specialized tools failed, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this. You can find the universal tool linked below.